Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on an Alex Duetto. We did some work on the steam valve and of course the E61 group head. It's a great machine. Nice pressure, nice pressure. Nice shot. Anyway, we'll just cut this just a quick bit for you. Here it goes. Nice crema. Check the steam. Nice strong steam. Hot water valve. There we go. Machine's asking to replenish the water. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.